If you only have a laser engraver or cutter, but really want to make a little bit of 3D model, for example, to make such a recess here, there are multiple options. One option is and just glue pieces together. That's probably the easiest. And another way is to do a little bit of handwork. But let me show you what this is part of. There's this thingy, and the whole point of that recess is to keep it on track. There's a tiny dowel with this thing. Here's this one. So that's what it's supposed to do, and it's actually working quite nicely, even without applying anything else yet. But then I actually have this one. That's a tiny control item. Put it down. Anyhow, that's the finished product, and hopefully eventually it will be working. For my initial design, what I did, I just took a marking knife, traced a circle, and actually cut everything with a chisel. It worked. It wasn't super perfect, but then I got another idea. What if I just don't cut it, but cut it a little bit more? For the outside, I used 2 passes. For this groove, I used just 1 pass with a little bit faster speed. So it did somewhere inside, but it didn't go through, which is exactly what I needed. So now what I need to do is simply take a router or chisels or whatever and cut this out. So let's do it. Wasn't careful. I was trying to be careful, but wasn't careful enough. You didn't see that. Okay. It was a little bit harder to do than I initially anticipated, but in any case, the objective what I had is to have a very precise outer edge is achieved. Well, minus a few problems here and there, but in any case, this is how you can do a little bit of CNCing by hand, where you define your lines on a laser engraver, like you actually undercut them a little bit, and then chisel out. If I left a little bit more space, I would have less problems. I would just be able to apply a little bit more force without danger of blowing this out, but it still worked. So if you have something like one-off thing that you need to do, so now you know how to do it. I hope you like this small experiment with the CNCing by hand. So like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.